going on, everybody? This is AR from AR Tactical. We got a nice box in. This box is coming from the pellet shop, so I'm sure you can only imagine what could be in it. I'm very excited. This is one of the things that's been on my bucket list for quite some time. Nice bag inside of here. Let's get her out. Top of the top to everybody. Shout out to the AR Army. I hope everyone is doing well. Alright, this thing is heavy. Alright, let's get her on out of here. And bam. Beautiful case. As you guys can see, this one is from Western Airguns by way of the pellet shop. First impressions, just looking at the bag that it came in, very, very premium. And this will tell the story for you all. Mordax, Western Airguns Mordax, Select Fire, Pre-Charged Pneumatic Air Pistol. This is the user guide. Now, this is the regular Mordax here, and that's not what I ordered. So we're going to do a little deep dive into here, but want to be very thorough and just see everything that's in here. I think we are getting down to the meat and potatoes, guys. Yes, yes, yes. This fetish of mine for these PCP air rifles has gotten very, very out of control. Alright, so another lever open and nothing inside. I have a QC from the pellet shop, so they've been through everything thorough. And look at these guys. They even throw you in a little bit of candy. Sounds familiar. They're taking a step from Home Defense 24 with that one. Much appreciated. Alright, let's see where the actual goodies are. Now, this is in a small pocket, guys, so I mean, this is how tiny this thing is. Oh man, look at that. Guys, this is the Western Mordax Longstrike. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful piece of equipment here. This is the 30 caliber version. 300 bar. And my first impressions are just, I'm in awe over here, guys. I'm taking my time with it because it's just so beautiful. This is that new plenum that allows more power to get into this thing. Like I said in the other picture, this is how this is the form factor they originally came in. As you can see, they just had a tube sort of similar to the Cuban GK1. Now, this is a removable magazine. It holds 12 shots. As you can see, we have a folding stock back here. I mean, it just makes this thing awesome. Can you imagine the things I'm going to do to it? It has a regulator, built-in fill probe, which is very convenient. Nice grip. I mean, the form factor is just awesome. You got safe, semi, and guess what? The fun switch. Full automatic. Guys, I can't say how very, very impressed I am. Of course, I'll have to learn how to use this, but this is the magazine. Pops out. I believe this cover comes off. This is how you load your pellets and or slugs. Just beautiful, beautiful work here. I'm going to have to get used to it. And already, yep, bam, nice. Okay, well, this is the unboxing of the Western Mordax Longstrike, guys. And like I said, I'm very, very impressed. I have to really learn how to use this thing, but that's soon to come. I've heard a lot about this mag situation. You just have to get it in there right. So I'm gonna work on that. But guys, I want to thank you for watching, stopping by, hanging out with your comrade in arms. Salute yourself at all times. AR Army.